Welcome to the Unstressed Surf School board fixing project.
Nice.
Cheers. Cheers, buddy.
You liking your work there, Sandy? Cool, and we're rolling.
Okay, I'm Mike, part of the Unstressed Surf School. Started it together with Pumla and with Jill.
I'm Pumla Pagamile, also part of the surf school.
We started the surf school primarily to introduce kids to the ocean, change the way they perceive, potentially they perceive growing up in South Africa. Personal growth, leadership skills, development, environmental education, responsibility, trust, and we do that all through the joy of surfing. This is a follow-on project, thanks to funding from some friends in Australia, Lee and Richard. The idea is to introduce the guys to the basic skill sets around repairing. We've brought in a professional to work with them, to train them. And the intention is to grow it into a small business, and ideally running parallel to that we'll be starting to grow our brand into a real surf brand. You get different types. So you get this one, which is cloth, which is this neatly woven one. And you also, if you're working like on a boat or something, where you need it thick and heavy, then you get one called chop strain.
There was a deal here. I cut it a little bit of something like a sponge. I put it a glue inside.
Yeah.
Then I stick it this white thing here. Here it was a thing, so I put the resin, and I put the cloth, and I put the resin on top, and so now I'm sending it.
If you have money, you can buy anything.
Guys, well done, man. Very, very proud of you. See you later.